Lesson number 17. Welcome in Inspiring English Academy. You will get 4 seconds after every question. Listen to the question. Answer the question and get fluency in English. For better results, practice it many times. Subscribe and share this video. Answer the questions. What is your native country? In which region or city did you live in your homeland? Were there any nearby tourist attractions? If so, what were they? What did you travel to see in your native land? What spot in your homeland was most interesting to you? Why? Would you recommend that tourists from other lands visit there? Why? Why not? Are there popular vacation sites in your homeland? What are they? Do you like to use travel guidebooks? Which ones? How are guidebooks useful? What are some other good sources of travel information? In which other countries have you traveled? Subscribe and share this video. Have a happy learning with us.